Did you know that up to 35 of HashiCorp Certified Terraform Associate 04 candidates fail their exam on the first try? Will you be one of them? Not if you prepare the right way. Let's see if you can answer these real questions from our practice tests. Question 1. A fintech is standardizing environment provisioning across AWS and an on-prem vSphere estate. Security mandates a human-readable preview of changes before apply, an audit trail, and minimal console access. Product teams must self-serve ephemeral, identical stacks, VPC networking, IAM, RDS, and Kubernetes namespaces for feature branches, while CI/CD handles application deployments. The company has scattered CloudFormation stacks and Ansible playbooks today and wants one primary approach that works consistently across providers and supports collaboration without race conditions. What should you recommend? A. Orchestrate native tools per platform. CloudFormation for AWS, vSphere templates, and kubectl Helm for namespaces from a Jenkins pipeline, avoiding centralized state and relying on idempotent scripts. B. Consolidate on Ansible to create and update cloud and vSphere resources using cloud modules, recording outputs in inventory, and trusting idempotent tasks for repeatability. C. Adopt Terraform with AWS, vSphere, and Kubernetes providers. Define reusable modules for stacks, store state in a remote backend with locking, e.g. Terraform Cloud or S3 DynamoDB, and enforce VCS-driven plain apply while keeping Ansible for OS config and CI/CD for app deploys. D. Use a Kubernetes-centric GitOps approach, Helm plus cross-plane operators, so the cluster provisions all cloud and on-prem resources via CRDs, and retire other tools. What's your answer? Take a moment to think. The correct answer is C. Terraform's purpose is declarative, provider-agnostic infrastructure provisioning with plain apply, state, and a dependency graph, making it well-suited for reproducible, audited, multi-cloud workflows. The correct choice centralizes provisioning with Terraform modules and remote state locking, while leaving configuration management and app delivery to their respective tools. A common pitfall is picking procedural orchestration, e.g., Ansible or Shell, around per-cloud tools that lacks unified state, drift detection, and safe collaboration. Question 2. You inherit a Terraform module that creates an AWS security group using multiple inline ingress blocks. When you change a single CIDR, the plan sometimes proposes replacing the whole security group, and it also removes short-lived rules that the platform team adds manually. You must update the configuration so Terraform manages only the rules you declare, does not touch out-of-band rules, and avoids recreating the security group for routine rule edits. What should you do? A. Add lifecycle ignore changes ingress to the AWS security group so Terraform will stop modifying rules but keep the group stable. B. Keep inline rules but add lifecycle create before destroy and explicit depends on to control replacement order. C. Refactor to use AWS security group without inline rules and manage each rule as an AWS security group rule resource using for each with stable keys. D. Use a data source to read existing security group rules and merge them with your desired rules into the inline ingress blocks. What's your answer? Take a moment to think. The correct answer is C. The concept tested is how to model resources so Terraform manages only what it owns while allowing external changes to coexist. Using AWS security group rule resources with 4H decouples rule management from the group, enabling granular updates and preserving out-of-band rules. A common pitfall is trying to suppress drift with ignore changes or replacement strategies instead of restructuring resources for proper ownership boundaries. Want more questions like these? The full course contains 3 and 60 similar scenario-based questions. Why choose our course? Because we provide detailed scenario-based questions with deep explanations for every single option. Get instant access to 360+ questions and 6 complete practice tests. Start passing today with our 100 success guarantee.